Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to our fans to TV. We are at the Alta Bar. It's the Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 3, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Zweli, Brian, Dlamini.
Hola Stivo, hola my fans wethu.
Yeah, sure.
Alright da.
Hayi,
anifuna amakhosi Sunday.
Kwenzakele namhlanje.
Ziyakubasela lezi.
Uyazi today nje komsile ilento Orbit iqale kahle yayenza yashaya amalento 3 chances yashaya 1.
Yes.
Kube ishaye lo 3 goals. Ngabe sikhuluma different story.
Yes,
but unfortunately ikhombisile I believe uzwele uzokutshela ukuthi mama coach mele mama prepare team yakho uyi prepare for 120 minutes not 20 minutes. So the team le is prepared for 20 minutes. Yakora 1 instead of 3. Yabo. Okay, iChiefs isayibongela ibuyile yashama goli. But ipoint engifuna kuya kuyo ukuthi my winner ayiwineli ilento iPirates or ayenzeli iPirates favor. Like njengoba bahlala bathi ileague ukuthi thina sithathe ileague kusezandleni zabo. Thina sifuna ukuthi basishayele iSundowns. Ayikho kanjalo. Namhlanje bawineleni baziwinele bona mabayodlala neSundowns bayowinelana ibona exactly even ngedabi uzoba udlalela wena uzoba ungadlaleli thina so uzoba ungadlaleli iSundowns
mina ongayimention leyo
ngisho kanjalo uzoba udlalela wena
niwinela mina ngithi
exactly uzoba ungawineli iSundowns you're not in control of the league. Asuwe it decide ukuthi league yakhe. That's the point. I want you to take that thing out of your mind. You're not the league decider.
League decider.
You've been saying that. You were telling keep emkondweni yabo and problem yabo one win bacabanga ukuthi sebathathe yonke kukhona umuntu othe ayikho i-team better than yena but ku number 3 there are 2 teams above yena but there's no team better than yena. Yes, wena usasekhona
league manje akunamuntu othatha league phela manje
usasekhona
thatha ubani league manje thatha uwe
Pirates wena
uyithatha league konje
because bona
ngisho ileague kubani manje iphatha ubani esandleni league manje
because thetsela wena ku position 2 ne nake nka position 1 yakho wena ngoba utlaphisa nalabo sikhukhune
so le Sundowns
no Sundowns wabona
shwet league yakhe no rikwale ke tla ka yalo asivale Rudman.
All right,
man of the match
uba ayizothi man of the match ama supporters we Chiefs.
Why?
Because abayaphuma numbers abaphela umoya lapho sobanika and mabawinile game 1 bacabanga ukuthi sebathatha league baku number 3. Remember league mayiqala bawine 3 games. Lo number 3 lona there's something about Kaizer Chiefs. Isani yabo meli change ibe boma angazi bangasenzi kanje because remember bawine 3 games baku number 2 bathi league ayiphele bathathe league. Right now bawine 3 games bawine 3 games in a row kona manje baku number 3 bathi league basagijimisa league so yibo ya mama.
Thank you very